Carrier 1.5-ton 3-star inverter split AC. 4-in-1 FlexiCool technology, personalized cooling in a single click. We believe that technology must adapt to human requirements and not the other way around. That's why Carrier ACs come with FlexiCool technology. It means that apart from adjusting AC's cooling performance, you can also change the energy consumption of the AC with 4 different tonnage modes. This feature enables you to experience personalized cooling at just a touch of a button. With FlexiCool inverter technology, you can choose from 4 different operating modes to optimize energy consumption based on weather conditions and cooling preferences. InstaCool, faster cooling. During scorching summers, when you step inside your home, you seek instant relief from the outside heat. With InstaCool mode, you can experience dramatically faster cooling and instant comfort. It increases the fan RPM by 60 rounds to give you quick cooling for 45 minutes at 17 degrees Celsius. Equipped with PM 2.5 and HD filter, which filters out PM 2.5 and other microparticle pollutants from the air inside your home to keep the air fresh and healthy. HD filter offers improved filtration by removing even the smallest microscopic dust particles and transforming polluted air into the clean, fresh air. High ambient cooling cools even at 52 degrees Celsius. Our advanced outdoor units are designed to deliver a comfortable cooling experience even when the temperature outside soars up to 52 degrees Celsius. Hydro Blue coating increases durability and cost saving. Carrier air conditioners come with exclusive Hydro Blue Fine technology to ensure superior cooling performance and enhanced lifespan of the AC in different weather conditions. Carrier air conditioners come with exclusive Hydro Blue Fine technology to ensure superior cooling performance and enhanced lifespan of the AC in different weather conditions. 100% copper with Aqua Clear protection prevents corrosion and increases durability. Our Aqua Clear protection coating applied to coil brushing joints of outdoor units prevents corrosion of air conditioners' substantial parts such as evaporator and condenser coil, hence ensuring exceptional durability and long-lasting performance even in extreme environmental conditions like smoke, dust, sand, humidity, etc. This advanced technology not only ensures uninterrupted cooling in diverse weather conditions but also increases the lifespan of your air conditioner. Auto Cleanser disinfects and cleans the indoor unit. Carrier's Auto Clean function automatically cleans and dries the inside of the air conditioner indoor unit. In order to keep the air conditioner in optimum condition and to maintain the purity of the air in your home, it is important to regularly clean the indoor unit, filters, and external exchanger.